Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you boot menu settings and Windows installation of Lenovo all-in-one PC. So stay tuned. Press F12, pressing again and again, and after coming this feature, here you see hard drive, bootable pen drive, and there is no show in SSD because there is no Windows. For that, it is not showing. Here, whether we select UEFI or legacy bootable pen drive will depend on whether we have set UEFI or legacy in the BIOS setup. This rule applies to all types of PCs and all types of motherboards. All PCs and laptops of older versions have legacies, but newer versions of PCs and laptops do not have legacy mode, only UEFI. This is an older version PC, so I set up legacy mode in the BIOS setup. You will remember, if your hard disk partition style is GPT, you will select UEFI, and if your hard disk partition style is MBR, you will select legacy. My hard disk partition style is MBR, so I will select legacy and enter. You select your version. Next, install Windows. I don't have product key. Select Windows and next. Check mark, next. Here we will delete the small drives that are automatically created during the Windows installation, including recovery and systems. At the same time, format the C drive of the hard disk. Important, and remember that before formatting the C drive, you must back up your desktops, documents, pictures, videos, and any other data you have. If we install an SSD even after having a hard disk, then we will delete the C drive of the hard disk. After the Windows installation is complete, we will format the C drive from disk management. After formatting the C drive, we can use it as a partition. We deleted the automatically created drives and deleted the C drive. As a result, it becomes a unallocated drive. Now I will format SSD and install Windows. After the Windows file is expanded, when the computer is started, we will remove the pen drive from the PC. If you don't remove the pen drive, the Windows installation process will continue repeatedly. Next, next, and next. Click don't have internet, limited, and here you put a username. Next, next. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.